Hey everyone, big news from TeamBoard ProScheduler. We've got some cool updates for you. Check out our new calendar view. Now, you can see all your tasks with issue type, scheduled hour, and assignee. Holidays, including official holidays. Events, such as team meetings, client presentations, and company gatherings. And days off, scheduled personal and sick leaves, all in one place. Whether you prefer a daily, weekly, or monthly overview, it's all here to help managers keep track of everything at a glance. Additionally, the calendar view allows managers to easily see the summary of tasks scheduled within an hour, making it perfect for efficient scheduling and oversight. Planning and editing tasks are also simple with Calendar View. You can easily drag and drop tasks to schedule them using the issue box, plan new tasks, and edit task options directly in the calendar view. Plus, you can now filter issues by the user or use quick filters for an even more streamlined organization. Your task planning is always up to date across the schedule board, simplifying the management of your team's workload. Auto-sync task planning with the timeline and Gantt chart also makes it easier for managers to manage project timelines. Need to sync with your calendar? Easily export your calendar events to an ICS feed. Export and import your schedule to Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, Apple, etc. TeamBoard ProScheduler is all about making your life simpler and your project management smoother. Check it out now.